Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome to another live Drift Exhaust sound reveal. My name is GM and today I am also, very excited because this is going to be the first that I know of having a Trident with a loop exhaust system and a side exit in the entire world as I know of. What we do is we really try to push the limits of our creativity and work with our customers. Actually, the owner of this bike, who is Arvin, doesn't know about this design until today. I didn't tell him yet. Sabi ko sa kanya, Arvin, meron akong surprise sa'yo. And he responded that he likes surprises. So later on, I'm gonna interview him on what he thinks about the build. But then again, I want to, say good afternoon to everyone. I hope you are enjoying your lunch. At the same time, this is going to be a good treat for those who has, maybe taking your lunch right now. Pampasarap sa tenga, pati sa ulam. Yan. But before we start, like what we always do, is we give a shout out to those who are watching us. Really because we want more people to view this live. So as we wait for more people, we're gonna give a shout out so that we don't have a dead air. Kay Alves David, kay Maxline de Guzman, kay Andre David San Jose, good afternoon sa inyo. Kay Ruel Francisco, kay Lawrence Mendoza, shout out to you, brother. Kay Andre David San Jose, yan. Kay Rex Concepcion, kay James Ivan, Rondina, good afternoon to you. Kay Joshua Bernardo, kay Alves David, watching all the way from Japan. Wow, nakakamiss ng Japan. And I was actually planning to go there on January for the Japan Auto Show. Pero yun, medyo mahigpit pa sa Japan. May quarantine pa pala na matagal-tagal. So maybe we're gonna postpone it until next year or next year. Kay Josette, M. Raimundo, kay Lyle Abela, Misa, full titanium po ba yung kahapon? Actually, it's a full exhaust system, a full stainless steel. Yan. Which is siguro kung if you're gonna compare it with the stock, it's gonna be 2/3 lighter than the stock. So yan. So kasi yung stock, it has very big catalytic. So and it's metal, made out of metal. But of course, the titanium is gonna be lighter. Pero the difference in terms of performance, there's no difference. It's more on the weight lang naman talaga. And the sound, wala naman difference. All right, Rich Chua, brother. Kay Agi Aramis, good afternoon. Kay Artem Pilipi, shout out to you. Sabi ni Jason de Guzman, good day boss GM, kahapon po pa inaabangan yan after nung isa na solid kahapon. Mansit na naman sa mga neighbor mo, Sir Alvin. Yes. Nakita na rin ng may-ari to kahapon, but I mentioned na hindi ko pa siya ila-live sound reveal because he isn't here yet. But today he's here and siguradong magpapapansit to sa mga kapitbahay. Joel Katapang, John, Noel, good afternoon sir. Pa-shoutout naman po John. Alright, shoutout to you. Eduardo Valles. Yan. Ayun si Marlon Chanco Azicate, who never fails to join us on our live. Kay Ruel Francisco, see you soon, brother. Kay G's Chambler, Mahinay. Kay Rio Abenoha, Hi, Pastor. Shoutout sa'yo. Kay G's Chambler, Mahinay. Yan, shoutout sa'yo. Joseph Astadan, John Noel, kay Sir Ago, kay Polko, kay sino pa ba? Si Jess Chambler all the way from Cebu. Yan, si Jordan naman, Jordan Galiciano from Ilocos Norte. Yan, dami na nanonood. Alright. But before we proceed, I'm gonna call the owner. Brother, lika muna dito. Yan. This is the owner.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother. Okay, so like what I told you when you texted me, I have a surprise for you. Were you surprised with the design that I did?
I am surprised.
So what do you think with the exhaust build, brother?
It's
Quality?
very unique. It's very new. Well, it's clean. That's what I want.
Yes.
Sabi ko nga, I had a lot of quotes from different fabricators, but I didn't like the samples because I find it sayang yung bike. It's a new bike, then parang naging dirty. No point of having it, right? Plus, I know the sound will be nice.
Right. Thank you for the trust. And hindi lang to basta new eh. Ito talagang new kasi walang ganito pa sa akong alam ha na sa entire world with for the Trident with the looping design. So pakita natin sa kanila yung looping design. So yan. This is the looping design. Grabe oh. Ooh. Right. So aside from the headers, yan. Ito yung headers. We've already done quite a lot of testing for this bike to make sure that everything is smooth and ready for the customer. That's why medyo nagiging golden brown siya, which is normal because of the heat. But look at the resonator down here, which should help us in terms of managing the sound, plus the loop. Grabe ang ganda ng loop, oh. Yan, para kang may sawa sa ilalim. And of course, the shorty design over here. Right. Yan. So, it adds to the angas factor ng bike. Grabe. Diba? Adds the angas factor ng bike. So, this is what I was like envisioning for this bike. Again, this is the first that we've done a loop on the Triumph Trident 660, but we have already been doing that with a lot of bikes. The consideration that we had was that it has very limited space over here. Pero we have worked our way around that. Kaya kahit limited yung space, meron pa rin good gap or distance between the ground and the exhaust system. So hindi mo problema si Alvin. Alright. Wait, may interviewing pa ako sa Princess. Halika dito. Halika dito, Princess. Nasaan na si Princess? Princess, anong masasabi mo sa gawa natin?
Ang pogi.
Right. And actually, the sound adds to the safety eh. Kasi if you're driving sa highway, and this is one of the reasons why a lot of our customers get it, is because they know yung mga kotse sa harapan na may paparating na big bike.
Exactly.
Right? And so you can overtake as safely as possible because they know that you're there. Having said that, brother, ready ka na bang i-start?
Oh yeah.
All right, so start na natin.
Here we go.
So idle muna natin siya. Medyo we will warm her up a little bit. Yun. Yan ba yung hinahanap mo, brother? Grabe. Ganda ng tunog. RJ Jason, shout out to you. Ilpak Shakur, shout out. Engelbert Citron, shout out. PJ Esteban, shout out. Kay Dan Ivan Chua, kay Marcy Lad, kay Rain Roderick Pacheco, Andre Bautista Nepales, shoutout sa iyo. Kay Agosto Ian, one of our customers, shoutout to you. Kay Salvatore Manga, kay Jean, kay Rafael Bagsik, kay Alves David, linis ng gawa, solid, di sayang halaga ng bike. Tama. Kay Gary Peralta, shoutout to you. Gary, brother Gary. Kay Sofia Marie Santos, shoutout sa iyo. Kay Rap, yan. Alright, I think medyo Pansit is waving daw, sabi na Martian Paul Algerica. Shoutout kay Andre Castillo, Sire Honor, yan. So I think the bike is a little bit warm na. We can rev it na, brother. Rev mo na siya. Wow. So if you're not gonna parang full throttle it, ganyan yung sound niya, malalim lang siya. Pero kapag yun na, i-throttle mo na siya, hataw mo na siya, ito na. Father, magpapapansit ka na. Yan. Brother, di ka na makakatakas. Maririnig ka na ni Princess. Kaya kailangan marunong ka magtulak. Yun pa pala yung isang advantage, Princess. Dahil maririnig mo na sila, di ba? Hindi na sila makakatakas. Ganda ng tunog. Alright. Woo! Ayos. Ito na, interview na natin sila. Brother, kamusta?
I love it.
Anong
Thank you.
masasabi mo sa gawa natin?
It's nice.
Right.
It's really nice. It doesn't look nice, just look nice, but it sounds very, very nice.
Nice. And that's what we're really aiming for. And I didn't discuss with you the technicalities that I'm gonna put a resonator, that I'm gonna put a loop, and something else. But may goal na kagad ako, which is in mind even before you brought it here, and this is exactly what I had in mind.
Yeah, and exactly what I'm looking for.
Great. Having said that, meron ka bang gustong batiin?
Wala. Pabayaan mo na sila.
Princess, may gusto ka bang batiin? Alright, that being said, thank you guys again for all the trust and support, for watching us, and I'll see you guys again soon.
Thank you.
Ang daming naka-line up, guys, na big bikes. So sobrang thankful. Basta ang daming naka-line up, and right now punong-puno siya, tagal ng wait time. But then again, it's really because of you guys for the support. So thank you so much. I'll catch up with you guys again soon. Bye.
Cheers.